Okay, in this part we try to cover artificial light topic. We have different kinds of the artificial lights. One of them is rectangle, which we used in window. And when you have a bigger rectangle, the light will be more and it will be wider. And you can see the results in the rendering, like this. We can hide the source of the light. Here in option, we make it invisible. This is the light which I put it there. I make it invisible. And then I can change its color. We can change the color here or here with Kelvin. We can put values. We can control this one, which it doesn't affect. Okay, that was rectangle light. After that, we have another type of the light, which is a sphere light. We use this type of the light, a sphere light, for lampshades or floor lights. When you have a click on it, you can you can draw a circle, and the bigger circle, the more light. And here again, you can have the settings related to this part here in lights. It can be more yellow, as in stands 4000 here. And if you feel more comfortable, you can change the unit to watt. Maybe in this way, you are more comfortable, especially in measuring. Right now, the scene is too bright. To be able to have more controls, I need to check exposure. I can decrease it. I forgot to do something which it can be available here. We can change the scene to the night. You can move the dim light to be able to have something like sunset, and you can also change the exposure. So I decrease the dim light to have it close to the evening. Like this. In this way, I can check the change easily. Here again, this rectangle light, which we decrease it, I can increase it again. So here you can increase the amount of the light of the lamp whenever you need it. The dimension and the size can be controlled here. And as I told you before, you can make it invisible if you need. Okay, now we want to have spotlight. There are two ways to have spotlights. You can choose your object, and with a single click you can assign your spotlight. Or you can press Shift and hold it, then with a click you can control the direction of it at the same time, according to the angle and the direction which you are looking for it. After that, with another click, you can control the radius of the light. And one more click to control the radius of the unfocused light or the shadow. And the final click to fix everything. In this way, you can have spotlight with directions, and you can control the both of them in this menu. With a click, you can have the settings related to the spotlight. As usual, here in this menu, you can change the color, intensity as well. After that, here I can control the core angle and penumbra angle, and also penumbra fall off, the type of the fading the light, especially about the edges, which you can control and change it according to what you need. When you check your render interactive, you will see one of these spotlights which we change the direction of it, has a different appearance. When I increase the intensity, it will be more visible, like this. After that, here we can have IES Light. Some of the companies prepare some files and share it, which they will be IES Lights, and you can have them directly. You can upload them and they show you the direction of the lights, different patterns of the lights, which they might be in different shapes. I can show one of them. This is the one which I have it. When I put it in scene, we can see it like this. As you can see the special form of the light, and you can use it in your projects. The last thing which we can have it here is this section, create asset. When we have material in Emissive, we can create a luminous material, and we can use this material for the shades of the lamps or the screen of the TV. And here again we can control the color or the intensity, but I suggest you to not use it a lot because it affects on your rendering speed. After creating the material, we can assign it on the surface which we want it.